I was quite surprised actually to get this award, but we've had a long and fruitful journey. We started about 10 years ago. So I think overall our institute is doing very well and we are quite pleased to get it now. We have always enforced the belief that when a time has come for a new idea, nothing can stop it. And to that end, we always use the latest technology. We are the first movers in the field. When there's any new technology to remove cataract or remove spectacle number or treat glaucoma, we are the first to get it. And we have been the first, the institute has been the first for the last 25 years. We continue on this track. We plan to expand and we plan to set up multiple centers, and especially in tier 2 and tier 3 cities across the country. So we can tap the potential of our huge population and our well-trained medical personnel. You have to inspire by example. You have to be there before them, you have to leave after them, you have to work harder than them. You have to enforce proper ethical treatment of patients where just the economy is not the bottom line. The welfare of the person or the patient at the receiving end of the treatment is the bottom line.
Why?
The Indian healthcare industry is going from strength to strength, and it's getting better and better because we have very well-trained personnel, and we see a huge boom coming in Indian healthcare, especially with patients coming in from abroad when healthcare abroad is unaffordable and the care is not standardized. We need the government to give us a platform to grow easily, to relax the license Raj, to increase the ability of the average person to take a bank loan and start a medical care center or a hospital without having to take 50 different permissions.
So how does it feel being a Brands Academy Excellence Award?
I'm very pleased to be here today to get this Brands Academy Excellence Award from none other than such a famous person as Padma Vibhushan Vishwanathan Anand, who is an icon for Indians and young Indians, and all of us are proud of him. So we hope that getting this award will inspire us and will inspire our institute to do even better.